Hi, this is Astros by AstroGate. Today we will show you this AS201, our wireless professional conferencing solution. And this video will show you the big guide about how to set up, how to use it, and the unboxing to introduce what we got inside this box. Hi.
Okay, so first of all, we will do the unboxing of the AS201. So this is the box. So we just open it. And on the side of the box, you will see the QR code, which you can just scan it to access to our user manual. And inside the box, you will see the station. So this is the main device that you can connect all peripheral in your scenario like meeting room, classroom. And on the side, we will have the pod, which is the sender. You can do the collaboration with our station. And we also have the power cord, power adapter. And under the power cord, you will have the two antennas, which you can connect to the station to make the Wi-Fi signal much stronger, much stable.
Okay, so right now we just set up the antennas into the station, and also we just prepare the part, and we just stand in front of the display and the room devices. So how to do the setup, how to do the connection, you can see here. So this is station, and before setup, let me introduce about the I/O port. So on the back port, we can see a lot of I/O port here. So we have like HDMI, USB, LAN, and also for the power. And on the front side, we also offer the two USB port here. One is for USB-A and another one is for the Type-C, which is using for pairing. Okay, so we also have the many cables inside the meeting room. We have the power cable, and we have the USB cable, which you just connect with your video peripherals like the video bar, camera, and also the HDMI cable, which is connected to your display. And also we prepare another USB cable is for the touchpad from your IFP or your touch panel. Okay, so we just insert all this cable into the station. And okay, so you can see right now the station is power on. And then we can just using the power connect to the station, the front Type-C port to do the pairing. And you can see the LED line here. When it shows the green line, it means do the pairing. So we also can see the information on the display. And when it just like the pairing finish, we can just unplug the pod. Okay, so after we setting up the station and the pod, we can using the pod directly connect to your personal device. For example, I prepared one PC and I just do the connection. And you can see the LED line turn white. It means that with just simple click, we can do the screen sharing. And also we have another small button. It will show the green LED line. It means that we can using the in-room DC peripheral, which is connect to the station, and using the pod wirelessly to control the camera or speakerphone. So for example, I just enable the camera and I switch to the camera, which is called a wireless camera. So it means that we're using this video bar, okay, on the PC wirelessly. So this is how we're using the ASTROS part and the station together. By using ASTROS app, please go to our website to download the app and install it. And then when we enable it, please make sure your Wi-Fi signal have already connected to your station, which is the same name as the SSID. And then we back to the station list, you will find your station name on here. And then we can just connect it. And then we can just press the play button, and then we can do the screen sharing. So this is how we're using for the ASTROS app to do the screen sharing. And we also support the native protocol like the AirPlay, Google Cast, and Miracast. Okay, so we back to the ASTROS app. You will find out the icon here. This icon is called a BYON icon.
So this function is that you can connect to your in-room PC peripherals. Okay, so when we enable it, we can just wirelessly to using the PC peripherals. So we just enable it, and then you can check to the camera apps and switch to the camera is called the virtual camera. So the virtual camera is using your in-room devices like the video bar or the camera. Okay, so that is the quick guide and unboxing video, and hope guys enjoy. And if you have any question, please let us know. Thank you.